is so expensive.
I think it's an expectation, particularly in markets like Australia.
控制室准备完毕，可以开始碰撞测试。正式实验马上开始，所有人员远离实验跑道。
开始测试。
A 5-star safety rating from ANCAP or Euro ANCAP is really important. So if GWM is building products that will actually meet those safety standards,
Of this car is security. GWM impressed me and everyone today. I think this test is pretty good to show the public and customers how much is the safety.
We always talk about the design, about the price, and everything, but sometimes we forget about how safe actually is the car. So this kind of experience are very important. After the crash, you can see that it was quite fine.
GWM, go with more.